So the meaning of percentage mx 0.0. It is a bit address. And percentage mw0, it is a word address. In percentage mx 0.0, you can see this percentage is just one syntax, nothing else. Then you see this M. M denotes flag, correct? M is for flag here. If it is Q, then it would be output. So M is flag. X. X is for bit or bool. So X denotes that this is bit address. This is bit address. This 0.0. First 0 is word location and another 0 is bit location. So you can say this flag has come, this percentage mx 0.0 flag has come from 0 series word. In that word, this is 0 number bit. Okay, we will understand it more when we will move, when we will go for word instruction. Further, I will explain this, don't worry. So we have percentage mx 0.0, m is for flag, x is for bit, 0 is the word location, and this 0 is bit location. Fine. So if we have 0.1 means on this 0 number word location, 1 number bit. Now you see word. MW0, what does it mean? M again is for flag. W means word. W means word. Like X here denotes bit. Here it is word. WORD. And this 0 is the word location. This 0 is word location. I think you know that when we combine 4 bit, when we combine 4 bit, what will it form? It will form 4 bit is equal to 1 nibble. 1 nibble, right? It will form 1 nibble. So when you combine 4 bits, it would be 1 nibble. When you combine 8 bits, tell me, text me. You can text in group. When you combine 8 bits, what will it form? 8 bit is equal to byte. So when you combine 8 bit together, it will form 1 byte. BYT. Correct? BYT only, right? No? Correct. Then when you combine 16 bit, what will it form? 16 bits equal to 1 word. No, 1 word, not half. 1 word. 1 word. 16 bits equal to 1 word. You have written half word for byte, I think. This is half word. We have not to get confused. We have to just see in terms of bit only. When 4 bits combined, 1 nibble, 8 bits combined, 1 byte, 16 bits combined, 1 word, 32 bits. When you combine 32 bit, what it forms? 32 bit. Do you know? Thirty-two bits equal to 1 double word, D word, double word. Correct? It would be D word. So this is important to know before we proceed. So when you combine 16 bit Then one word will be formed. So 16 bit together will be one word. Okay, fine. Now you see, now you see, when you make a program, when you make a program, this bit and word will have some relation. Like you see, when I take here percentage ix 0.0 and we take here some and see, we latch it with flag percentage mx 0.0 percentage mx 0.0. From percentage mx 0.0, we can take percentage qx 0.0. And suppose we take one input I1 percentage ix 0.1 and we run one counter. Suppose for 4 counts. And after that M1 we take percentage mx 0.1. And let us give reset also. Percentage mx 0.1. 0.1. Okay. And here also we break it by percentage mx 0.1. Look at the screen, please, everyone. You remember in accumulator, we had given percentage MW1. So whenever we have made any program, we have started MW from one only, right? No, you remember, no? Percentage MW1, MW2, MW3. We have not taken percentage MW0. But if we take percentage MW0, what happens? Let us check. Suppose we take percentage MW0. Then you know we will have some problem in this program. Simply the logic is when we press I0, M0 is on, Q0 is on. When you press I0, Q0 is on. And when you press I1 4 times, Q0 is off, correct? This is the logic you check. When you press I0, M0 is latched. From M0, output runs. Motor is on. When I1 input is on 4 times by any mean, when it becomes 4, done bit will come and done bit will switch off this output and will reset itself. So this is the logic. But I have given here percentage MW0. What will happen? When I press I0, output should get on, correct? When we press I0, output should get off. But suppose we are not going to operate I0, directly I operate I1. I'm not going to operate I0, directly I operate I1. So when you press I1 first time, it will get 1, and automatically Q0 will get high. Automatically Q0 will get high. So you have not pressed I0, you have pressed I1 first time, and your output will get on. And you would be wondering what's going on. And when you switch off I1 and you press it again, when it gets 2, this output will get off. And it will become 0 also. It is only because I have taken here MW0. If I take MW1 here, nothing will happen. It will run as per our requirement. But if I make it MW0, that problem will occur. Let us see why. Why will it happen? For that, let me take this one. I shall make you understand. Here, I think. Look at the screen, please. I hope it is visible. Here you see, this is percentage MW0. MW0. W means a word, correct? W means a word. Word means 16 bit. 16 bit. And you know that flag is a bit. Flag is a bit. When you combine 16 flags together, it will make a flag word, that is MW0. So you can say percentage MW0 is equal to percentage MX 0.0 to 0.15. 15. See, one word is equal to 16 bit. Bit means what? 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 15, correct? This is the word. This is the word 16 bit. 16 bit means 0 to 15. So if I take percentage MW0, this MW0 is the 0 word location. MW0 is the 0 word location. MW1 is 1 word location, 2 word location, MW2. So MW0 will have 16 bits, 16 flags. Here you see percentage MX 0.0. What is this first 0? I had just told you. First 0 is the word location. So where is 0 word location? This is the 0 word location. 0.0 means this bit number 0. Then bit number 1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, like that 0.15. So when I say percentage MW0, it will have MX, percentage MX 0.02, percentage MX 0.15, correct? 0.15. So can you see this 0? This 0, it comes from here. It comes from here. So this is the word location. So when MX 0.0 you say, it is coming from MW0 series. In MW0 series, we have 16 flags, MX 0.0 to MX 0.15. Got it? So like that, you see, in percentage MW1, we have 16 flags. That is percentage MX 1.0 to 1.15. Then MW2, MX 2.0 to 2.15, like that. This is the relation between word and bit. Word and bit. So here you see what happens actually. Now let me show you what happens here. Let me remove this. I will share this with you further. So what exactly happens here? When I take percentage MW0, what happens? Percentage MW0 means what? It means we have percentage MX 0.0, percentage MX 0.1, like that, percentage MX 0.2, and it will go up to percentage MX 0.15. Got this? 0.15. It will go like that. So you have the combination of all these flags in percentage MW0. Correct? So this block you see, this is the bit block, means one block. And this MW0 means you are taking 0 point series, 0 point series, 0 point series, like that. Now let us check. I hope you know how to convert bit to decimal, binary to decimal, and decimal to binary. The easiest method is you can put here the decimal value 1, double of this 2, double of this 4, double of this, and it will go on. So now you see, when you press I1 first time in this program, MW0 gets 1, correct? The decimal value 1 here. So decimal value 1 means this bit becomes 1. This bit becomes 1, correct? Because binary of 1 is 0, 1. Correct? No, binary of decimal value 1 is 0, 1. So it will be 0, 0, 1. Which flag got on? Percentage MX 0.0. So automatically it will get on. You have not pressed I0, but it will be on. It will be on, and your output will get on. And you won't understand what's going on. Actually, it is because in word you have sent some value. When you press I1 second time, it will become 2. 2 means what? What is the binary of 2? 2 binary is 1, 0, because you see 2 will become 1. So this will become 1, it will be 0. So 0, 1, 0. Got? No. When decimal value 2 comes, binary of decimal value 2 is 1, 0. 2 will become 1. So now this M0 will be off, means this M0 will get off. This will get off, your output will be off. And M1 will get on. So when M1 gets on, this, see, this done bit comes in 2 count only. This M1 done bit comes in 2 count only, whereas it has to come on 4 count. Correct? No, this done bit M1 came in 2 counts only. Why? Because 2 has come to percentage MW0 and 2 binary is 1, 0. So M0 becomes 0, M1 becomes 1. Got it? So your done bit gets high. That's why it reset itself. It becomes 0. So everything is off. This is the game behind bit and word. Bit and word. That's why you have seen we have always taken word from MW1. We have always taken the word from MW1. We have never taken MW0. Why? Because 0.0 flag we have used. That's why I have taken MW1. When I take MW1, then I cannot use percentage MX 1.0 to 1.15, or else we will have some problem. So if you use bit, don't use its word in your program. If you use word, don't use its bit in program. Did you understand? Text me. Did you understand? Or you have any doubt, you ask question. Did you people understand? Percentage I have not taken. You consider we have percentage also. Then MW1, MW3, MW2, like that. When you go to memory location, data memory location. On data memory location, we have all addresses allocated, right? And the addresses will be allocated in the form of word. So suppose we have come to the colony of flag. This is the colony, flag colony. Like that, you will have output colony, input colony on memory location, data memory location. So when you go to flag colony, you have gone to railway colonies, some railway quarters will be there. When you will go to railway colony or some government colonies, housing colony, you will find you will have road number, isn't it? Road number and house number, road number and house number. So on flag location also, you have the same thing. You have road number and you have house number. See, what is this road number? Road number is zero, zero number road. This is one number road. This is two number road. It is like that. Okay. And which colony we are in? That is M colony. Is it gone? Okay. We had some network issue. Fine. So I just was saying that you assume that we have word colony, word, WORD. Okay. Word location. So on word location, you will have a lane, you will have road, road number. So this is zero number road, this is one number road, two number road. Like that, you will have all flags allocated. So flag will be kept as word. Word means in one road you will have 16 houses. In one road you will have 16 houses like that. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 15. Correct. So you have here. This is the road number 0, and this is house number 0, house number 1, house number 2, house number 3. Like that, it will go house number 15. After that, you will go to another road. In another road, this is road number 1. So this is MW1. Correct? MW1 means flag, word location, 1 number road. Flag, word location, 0 number road. Now in 1 number road also you have 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 16. So again, house number 0, house number 1, house number 2, house number 3. Like that it will go up to 15. Got this? It will go like that. And the same for all roads. For each road, you will have 16 houses. 0 to 15. 0 to 15. House number 0 to house number 15. Everyone, tell me, what would be the address of this house? Look at the screen and tell me. What is the address of this house? Try, everyone, you try and tell me what would be the address of this house. All will try, please. Please tell me. It would be percentage mx 1.3. Okay, another people, anyone? See, how will it be mx 1.3? Because percentage is the syntax. And this is word location, right? So M. And this is the bit location, means one single unit, one house. House is the bit. Bit is denoted by X.